Okay, you're a sociology student, right? Now, recently, Ministry of Panchayati Raj came up with a report highlighting, the reasons behind the emergence of this Mukhiya Pati system, and also what are the probable solutions. Are you aware of the report?
Sorry, ma'am, I haven't seen the report yet. I will read about
Okay,
it.
so tell me from your own, like many of the things which they pointed out were very commonsensical, considering your own background in sociology. Tell me what are the three key reasons behind this emergence of Pradhan Pati system, and what are the three possible solutions which can be outlined other than awareness and counseling?
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, the three reasons. First could be the patriarchal mindset that we have, which highlights that women are generally following the suit of men in making political decisions. Ma'am, second could be the institutional infrastructure that we have is less enabling towards women in politics, and we see it at all the levels, be it at the panchayat level or at the state and the national level as well. And ma'am, third.
When you talk about, could you please elaborate what do you mean by institutional framework?
Institutional framework, as in, ma'am, the support systems or the people that are present in the entire system, like it is more male dominated, which might create a barrier for women in entering politics at the level.
They have already entered the political sphere, right, by getting elected.
Yes, ma'am. So, but ma'am, the decision making is done by the male counterparts, be it their husband or their brother.
That's the reason. My question to you is very specific. What are the reasons? Once they're elected, then also they're not performing. The male counterparts are performing. You talked about the second point. First point I could take. Second point, I need more elaboration. That when you say institutional framework, what do you exactly mean by that?
In the sense, ma'am, that while the institutions are enabling the entry, the operational part of it has not been addressed aptly, and so men are able to function behind the.
Okay. Right.
Yeah,
third reason.
Ma'am, I'm unable to recall the third reason.
Okay, tell me. Let's say tomorrow, if you're posted as a DM, tell me any three solutions other than awareness and counseling.
Ma'am, one of them could be highlighting the achievements of women sarpanches who have done great in their regions and villages, like Chavi Rajawat, as we know, of the Soda village in Rajasthan, who has done it.
She's an MBA graduate, so
yes,
not all sarpanches are MBAs. Anyways, okay, highlighting the good story.
As an example, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, secondly, empowering them through greater training and capacity building. Because they might have awareness about their roles, but they might not be equipped to perform those roles. And ma'am, third, making them financially more independent, so that they are not financially dependent on their families or their husbands for their livelihood.
That's a very longer term goal, isn't it?
Yes,
ma'am. It take a very long time. Anything from your sociological perspective? Think about it.
Ma'am, I'm unable to recall anything right now. Sorry.
Okay, right. Thank you.